Hello, this is Seth of Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Ram 1500 Laramie Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in brilliant black, it looks fantastic. You got the Laramie grille up front there with your chrome bumper and your tow hooks. You also have your projector style headlights right there and your fog lights down there with your parking sensors. And coming around the side here we do have our tires. They look great, tons of tread on them, and they do have 20-inch rims as well. Heated exterior mirrors right here with the turning signal in the chrome, and they are the tow mirrors as well, so you can lift them up just like that. Then you can see even farther back. You got the running boards along the bottom, and coming around to the back you got a massive 6-foot box back here. You got the 4x4 badging. You have the dual exhaust pipes with the chrome bumper and the parking sensors as well as the Laramie there. You can open it up. Tons of room back here as well. It does have the spray and box liner, so nothing we getting scratched up. We got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and our panic there. It does also have the proximity keyless entry, so all you gotta do is have the key on your person and it will unlock for you if you put your hand in there. Now on the door here you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. Nice wood accenting up here. Handle, some storage here and here. And it looks awesome in here as well. The leather seats are very comfortable. You do have the electronic seats, so backward and forward, tilt and lumbar support there, as well as you do have your seat memory right there. And up here we have the controls of the lights, so the auto, off, daytime running lights, and low beams, as well as our fog lights there and in-cabin light control here. And then right up here we do have the control over the turning signals, windshield wipers, and the high beams. Push to start, so foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. We also have our battery and oil life up there at the top, and we can switch it around in the center there from our speedometer to our vehicle info. We also have our fuel economy, our trip A, our trip B. We have our trailer tow, audio, stored messages, screen setup, and back to the speedometer. It also tells us our range at the bottom, the time, temperature outside, and which way we're facing. Now that is controlled from right here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and cruise control options right there. And then in the center here we do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display with Uconnect. So you do have your AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there, as well as you do have your media tab if you have one hooked up through disc, USB, aux cord, or Bluetooth. Controls over your heated seats, vented seats, heated steering wheel, mirror dimmer, and backup camera. Uconnect apps there. There's all sorts of different stuff through there. You also have your climate control. It is a dual climate system, so you and your passenger can have different levels of temperature. You have your navigation right here, and if you hit view map, you can see we are on Wreck Place. You also have your phone options right there. When you're in reverse, you have the ever useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe. And there is our gear shift right over here. So we do have the 4-wheel auto, lock, low, and 2-wheel. And then over here we do have the volume up and down with the mute, screen off, hazard lights, back button, tuner and browser, AC, circulation, temperature control, power, off, auto, front and rear defrost. And then we have our trailer brake, our traction control, tow and haul mode, our park sensors. We also have our heated and vented seats, as well as the heated steering wheel. Some storage in there, more storage down here, and a place for your phone. You got some cup holders here and an armrest that doubles as a storage container. You got some coin holders and 2 USB and aux cord plug-in right there. Lift this guy up, more storage down there with a place or a CD player. And then over here we got the top and bottom layers for our glove boxes. Lots and lots of room in there. Plus up here you do have your universal garage door opener, control over your window in the back, and the controls for your sunroof, which looks awesome. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here you got your handle, control of your windows, a handle here, and some storage. Looks fantastic back here as well. Same material as the front. The leather is very nice. You can fold this guy down. You got an armrest with some cup holders right there. You can also fold these guys up like this, and you got some storage underneath there. There's a subwoofer on the other side. You can also fold this guy up, and then you do have a flat surface to put stuff on top of. The passengers back here have the heated seats, and you do have some extra storage just under there. And there's our 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2017 Ram 1500 Laramie. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.